What's up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I'm going to be going out to Fort Collins, which is far north of Denver. I just recorded an installation out in Arvada, which is just a little bit west of Westminster, which was really cool. It had mountain views. It's like right on the edge of where, you know, the downrange, it's like right on the edge of where the mountains start whenever you're heading out west, kind of out where I live in the high country. But this is interesting. I'm heading out to Fort Collins now, which, you know, we've been doing tons and tons of sales of product throughout Colorado, as well as building up our preferred partner program and doing installs. So I'm just having a blast out here, kind of getting the lay of the land and getting to meet all of you guys. It's so fun. And I'm kind of interested to see what Fort Collins is like. You know, we've been shipping a lot of product up here to this area. It must be like a lot of suburbia, because it looks like we're kind of running away from the mountain ranges. So I'm interested to check the area out, as well as this really exciting project. I hope that you guys like it. If you would like to purchase anything home theater related, make sure to reach out and show your support. We have nationwide free shipping and the lowest price guaranteed, and that's throughout the entire United States. We're doing jobs all over the country, whether it's the West Coast and California, over there on the East Coast in Florida or New York. We got you covered, guys. We really appreciate your support. We can't do it without you. All right, this project's gonna be sweet. I'll be there in about 20 minutes. Let's go.